Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide a post on Reddit, right? So I will just go into my Reddit mobile application here. On the top right, I will just click on my avatar, then I will go to my profile, and here all my posts will be shown, right? For example, this is a post, and if I just want to hide or unhide this post, usually in the old versions of Reddit a mobile application, if I just click on the three dots, here I used to get this option of hide, but right now the Reddit have removed the option to hide or unhide post on Reddit, right? For example, you can see there is a no option to do it, even though if I just go back, I can click on the three dots and there is a only option to delete, right? So the best advice I can give you that you can just delete it, right? If you want to delete, click on the red dustbin icon here or sometimes here and just click on delete, right? If you want to delete, otherwise you can just click on the three dots and click on edit and then you can just save this, right? So this is the only way to do it. And yeah, I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like or subscribe.